Hello there. How are you? It's been a long time if you're on the One Group channel. I do stuff on the James, and I also do a podcast that's currently on hold because I need better equipment. So I will actually be doing an unboxing today. I am quite excited. It's gonna be pretty fascinating. These are things that I got from Amazon. You can see that there. This is it's a rechargeable condenser lavalier, and unfortunately I'm sorry, I don't know what lavalier means, and I don't even know if I'm saying it right, but it's a microphone. Okay, and all I'm going to do is just basically unbox it, show you all the pieces, obviously, but I'm really curious about testing it as far as recording goes, because I want to make sure it just gets my voice, and not any like my hard drive is running right now. I can hear it. I don't want any of that shitty noise to be carried in the background. Wow. So the packaging is almost okay until you get in the inside, and it looks like a cheap pair of headphones type packaging. Man. Okay. We have the clip here. I'm not sure how I feel about it. It's metal, but it seems to be somewhat flimsy, especially this small piece here. We have this pop filter, I believe it's called, for the microphone. And let's see. I can't remember what the connector is called, but we have one of these. This adapter here. Pretty excited about all this. I want to see. This, I believe, here. This is the actual microphone. Looks like this, without the pop filter on. So I'm pretty excited. By the way, I believe this thing. It was about $30, honestly. So I'm not. I really hope this works, and I hope I don't look like an idiot. I hope this is the actual microphone. It looks like it. Anyway, it's got a clip here. This is basically on/off switch. So it literally says on/others and then off/smartphone. So what I'm guessing is that anytime you plug it into your computer, it's going to be in on, and when you're plugging it into your phone, it's going to be in off. So it's a little bit weird. Here's the charging cable for it. I'm really glad to get one of these micro USB. I needed another charging cable for my phone anyway. And this is actually a very nice carrying case. The carrying case feels it doesn't feel too cheap. It just, I don't know, it just feels really good. The packaging is really shitty, but I mean, I guess it's not too bad for what you get. And yeah, so you have the charging cable, the clip here, which I'm very curious as to how, like, I don't know how to fit everything in there. It's a pretty long, wow, it's extremely long cable, which will be nice because I'm going to be sitting on my futon, which is actually behind me. My bed's on it right now, but I'm going to take the mattress off, set it up and stuff like that. I'm going to need to plug this into my computer. So that'll be pretty nice. And I'm actually probably going to plug it in just a moment and see if it works. See how it works, and see if I'm going to... Okay. Well, this here, this is where you charge it. So I guess actually I'm just going to see about charging it and then plug it in and see what happens. See how it sounds, because I'm pretty curious. I do podcasting, and I really needed some good mics. I'm guessing this actually, I think what happens, let's see if this is, there you go. Okay, so that actually, remember we're talking about that right there, but this actually goes, squeeze it, you slip it on. There's actually a groove. It's a very small groove, but there's a groove. There it is. Clicks into place. As I need at least like one of these or something. So I'm gonna have to figure out how it goes or whatever. But I would rather just... It's too bad you can't like twist it around. You literally have to take it back off to flip it over in case it's wrong. But either way, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and charge it and see what happens. I'm very curious, like I said, to see how it sounds. So see you guys in a minute. Hey, there we go. So I am now recording using this. Can't remember, or I don't know how to pronounce it, but like Maono product. I've got a couple complaints, but they're not that big of a deal. It's stuff that I can work around. So we have this huge thing right here. Now, and I apologize if it's too loud. Let's see if I can turn it down a little bit. All right. Hopefully that's a little bit better. Anyway, this does not have a great clip. The clip on the back is just like a pin clip, but not as great. So it's like something, I guess, that you would just kind of put on your pants pocket or something like that. It's kind of weird, and it's really too bad that it doesn't have an actual clip like this here. Let's see if I can get that. Yeah, there we go. This clip, actually, it's like spring loaded and stuff. So, see if I get that back on my shirt. Okay, there we go. It's also a bummer that, and I can see it's working because I'm using OBS, but it's also a bummer that the LED light is not on. It has, it's on, which is others, and like I said earlier, you put it in others for like your PC or any other device that's not a phone. I don't know how it works. I'm about to turn it off real quick, just to show you guys, because I believe that you can't use it. They call it passive mode when you're like using it with a smartphone. So it's off. So, but anyway, other than that, everything is pretty good. The cord's really long, which isn't great. Oh, and by the way, putting this in your regular headphone jack in the Mac, and I assume in the PC, you're gonna have the same issue. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work as a mic at all. So if anybody else can get it work, then great. But I wasn't able to. So you're gonna need like a USB, either like an audio splitter to split the mic and the headphone jack, or you're gonna need like a USB sound card or whatever. Maybe not a sound card. A USB device that separates the mic and the headphone and the audio in versus audio out, something like that. So that's what you're probably going to need. That's what I'm using right now. And so anyway, this product is pretty good. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the review. I hope it wasn't too long, and I'll see you guys in the next video.